We are now dealing with derivatives of e to the x and natural log of x. Well, the derivative of e to the x, get this in your notes, is the easy one. It's just e to the x. It's one of those special functions that its slope at any given point is the actual function itself. That's pretty cool. And then the natural log derivative is equal to 1 over x. All right, so this is just something that needs to be put into your memory. It's kind of like a formula that you have to memorize. So these are the two that we kind of have to deal with, and sine, cosine, e to the x, natural log of x, that's pretty much all you're going to be held accountable for at this stage. All right, if we have other things, they'll let us know. So let's go ahead and remember, we're treating this where the plus signs are separating the terms, plus or minus signs, and then we would look at the derivative of each part. So it's going to be equal to d dx of the first one, negative 4 sine of x, minus d dx of 9 ln of x, plus d dx of 11. All right. The derivative of a sine is what? Cosine, and the coefficient stays out in front. Minus 9. The derivative of natural log is what? 1 over x. And the derivative of a number drops off. So you can have that 0 if you want. I'll usually just won't even write anything there. But if you need that placeholder, that's fine. So this simplifies into negative 4 cosine of x minus 9 over x. A number times a fraction would go to the top. Let's see how we did. Negative 4 cosine x minus 9 divided by x is what I got. Got it. All right, that's all there is to it. Here's the e to the x example. Okay. So basically we're doing the derivative of each part. At some stage you can start doing this in your head a little bit and skip a little bit of steps here. Okay, going through each part, the derivative of this function, the coefficient's out in front, and the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. That's the cool one. Minus derivative of cosine. Oh, I forgot that 5. Careful. 5 right there. 5, yep. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. I'll just go ahead and write it out. Negative sine. Coefficient moves out front, and the derivative of any constant or a number just drops off. It's 0. So not going to worry about that this time. Final simplifying, 2 e to the x, 2 times e to the x, sorry if it looks a little off, plus 5 sine of x. All right, see how we did. 2 e to the x plus 5 sine x. So just take your time, do it in pieces, and show your work if you need to. Be careful. Sometimes when you're doing things in your head, it's real easy to kind of make a mistake or miss a minus sign. So if you do write it out, that's going to help prevent any of those careless errors that you might see. See if the next one's any different. And there we go. It's pretty much the same.